Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe and fine. Today, welcome back to the 6th standard English Bridge course online class. Today, we are going to, in the last class, we have spoke about the subject and the predicate. Today, we are going to speak about the nouns. I know that you will be knowing all about this all topics about noun, verb, predicate, subject, this prepositions, this all things you will be knowing in the last class from the first standard. But to revise and to know better, we'll revise once. Okay. What is a noun? Today we are going to teach you. Today I'm going to teach you about the nouns. What is noun? Noun. What is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or things. Okay, children. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or things. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or things. For example, India. India is the name of a country. Ganga. Ganga is the name of a river. Tiger. Tiger is the name of a animal. Ball. It's the name of a thing. Name of a thing. Person name. Meena. Examples. I'm giving you the examples. The name of a noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or things. India is the name of a country. Ganga is the name of a river. Tiger is the name of an animal. Ball, it's the name of a thing. Meena, it's the name of a person. Examples. These are the examples. Okay. Now, one more example for this I'm going to give you. Raju. Raju is a boy. Raju is a boy. Keep one more thing, children. Keep in mind, always the noun starts with the capital letter. The noun begins with the capital letter. Raju is a boy. Raju is a name of a person. Boy, boy is also a noun. Boy is also a noun. This is a noun. This is a common noun. Common noun. Raju is a name of a person. One more example. Tiger. One second. Meena is my best friend. Meena is my best friend. Meena will be the noun. Meena will be the noun. Name of a person. Name of a person. Copy this, children, in your rough notebook. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Copy this in your rough note. If you can't copy along with me, pause the video and try to complete it. Okay. Next we'll go for the kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. Which are the 5 kinds of nouns? 5 kinds of nouns. First one is proper noun. Second one is common noun. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is abstract noun. Fifth one is material noun. I'm going to explain all the things in a briefly. Material nouns. These are the 5 kinds of nouns. One is proper noun, second one is common noun, third one is collective noun, fourth one is abstract noun, and the fifth one is material noun. Copy this. I'll explain you. Proper noun. First, we'll discuss about the proper noun. What is proper noun? Can you erase this, children? Proper noun. What is proper noun? A noun which tells about a special name or a particular person, animal, place or things is called a proper noun. A noun which tells about a special name or a particular person, animal, place or things is called proper noun. A noun which tells about a special name or particular person, animal, place or things is called a proper noun. What do you mean by this? A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. It begins with a capital letter. A proper noun always begin with a capital letter. capital letter. For example, the words Diwali, Monday, Delhi, this all words will begin with a capital letter. It's a special name, or it's a particular name. Special name, Monday. Example. These are the examples. Okay. Delhi, Diwali, Diwali. These are the words which begins with a capital letter. These are the special names or a particular name of a place, and a person, animal, place, or things. Okay. Special name. For example, Delhi, Diwali. Copy this, children. I'll give you the examples, then you will understand properly. Sure. I'll erase this, children. Pause the video and try to complete it. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the common noun. After that, I'll give you the examples. Then you'll understand what is called proper noun and what is common noun. Okay. Now we'll go for the common noun. Common noun. What do you mean by common noun? A noun that gives you a common name to person, animal, place, or things which are the same kind is called a common noun. A noun that gives you a common name to a person, animal, place, or things which are the same of the same kind is called common noun. Common noun. Example, for this I'll give you the example. For example, the words boy, city, river, month are common nouns. Like boy, city, river, month are common nouns. Common nouns. If there are many boys will use boys, not boy. Okay. City, river, month are common nouns. A noun that gives a common name to person, animal, place, or things which are of the same kind is called common nouns. For example, copy this, children. I'll give you the example. The proper noun begins with the capital letter. The common nouns always be it will be in the small letter. So okay, I'll erase this, children. For example, most people in China eat rice. Most people in China eat rice. Most people in China eat rice. People is a common noun. Commonly we'll use people, right? People will be a common noun. China, it's a particular name of a place. It's a name of a country. So this is a name of a particular name. So this will be a proper noun. Rice. There are many varieties of rice. This will be a common noun. You can ask how it will be a common noun. Rice, you know, your mother will be preparing lemon rice, biryani rice. There are different kinds of rice. So it's a common noun. Most people in China eat rice. People are the common noun. We usually use this common. It's a common word. People is a common word. Next example. Did you see Renu on Friday? Here, which is a proper noun and which is common noun? Which is proper noun and which is common noun? Renu is a proper noun. And Friday is also a proper noun. Renu is a proper particular name. And Friday, it's also a proper noun. Friday. One more example I'll give you. Megha plays games. Megha play games on her computer. Megha plays games on her computer. Which is a proper noun and which is common noun in this? Megha is a proper noun. It's a name of a girl. Proper noun. Games. You have many varieties of games. So it's a common word. Games. So I have not mentioned which game. It's a Maria game or some other games. You'll be having many games in computer, right? They have not mentioned particular name of the game. So you can't make this as a proper noun. It's a common noun. Okay. On her computer. It's a computer is a proper noun or common noun? It's a common noun. It's a common noun. Megha plays games on her computer. Copy this, children. Copy this all in your rough notebook. Hope you have understood all the nouns, means proper noun and common noun. Next, we'll move in the next class. I'm going to teach you the abstract noun and collective noun. I'll meet you in the next class, children. Hope you have understood well. Okay, thank you, children.